I know, you can even turn cats into celebrities with Instagram. But now, the latest trend is the concept of AI influence. People are even earning millions of dollars with just AI Instagram influencers. And that's not an exaggeration. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. I'm your AI presenter Audrey from Wondershare Virbo. Today, I'm gonna show you how to create your own AI influencer and earn money from it. But before we start our topic, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. From chatbots to personalized shopping, AI is everywhere. But have you ever thought about creating an AI that's not just a tool, but an internet model? That's right, this is exactly what an AI influencer is. It's a unique personality that can interact, engage, and even influence people. Just like me, I'm not real, and I'm an AI avatar too. Now, imagine yourself earning money from this AI influencer. Sounds interesting, right? Well, it's not just a thought anymore. We are about to show you how to make this a reality. So, let's get started. Step 1. Choose a niche. Alright, step 1 is to pick a special area you're interested in. You need to focus on one area so your AI influencer can be a buddy for certain people who like that stuff. For example, if you're into health and fitness, your AI influencer could be all about sharing cool workouts and healthy recipes. Or, if you love teaching, your AI could give tips on how to learn better or share fun facts. And if buildings and selling houses excite you, your AI could become an expert in real estate by showing off fancy houses and giving tips on buying the perfect home. Make your AI the star of a show, and the show is all about what you love the most. This way, people who like the same stuff will want to tune in and follow your AI influencer. So give it some time and think about what your AI is going to be. When you are set on a niche, move on to the next step. Step 2. Create your own AI influencer. There are 3 cool ways to do this, each one perfect for different types of online spaces. Let's see. AI-generated photos. If you want to keep things simple, then just a virtual photo album is enough for your AI influencer. You can use AI image generators like Midjourney to create these pictures. Tell the program what you want your AI influencer to look like. You can even add details like the style or mood, and the AI image generator will create a unique photo for you. Then, you can give the same image as a reference and ask the software for more images in different scenarios. This method is fantastic if you want your AI influencer to enter platforms like Instagram, where it's all about eye-catching images. Animate your AI influencer photos. Now, what if your photos could talk? That's another option you have for creating unique content. Just like this.
Welcome to Wondershare Virbo. Generate engaging AI video in minutes.
For this purpose, you can use the talking photo feature of Wondershare Virbo. You start with a photo of your AI influencer. Then, with Virbo, you can make that photo come to life. You could have your AI influencer give quick tips or say hello to your audience in a cool, animated way. This is great if you want to make your AI influencer feel more real and engaging. A neat trick to grab attention on social media. Create videos with ultra-realistic AI avatars. If you want something even more advanced, you can create videos with ultra-realistic AI avatars. They are high-tech puppets that look and act like a real person. For example, Wondershare Virbo provides a whole arsenal of AI avatars. Just select any one of these, and you can make a video with it. Just like me, I'm also an AI avatar from Wondershare Virbo. This method is perfect if you want to create detailed, engaging content, like full-length tutorial videos or fun stories with an AI influencer. Each of these methods has its own charm. Whether you choose simple photos, animated talking photos, or full-blown AI videos, your AI influencer will make a splash in the digital world. Step 3. Monetization strategies. There are many methods that may come to your mind, but out of those, here are 3 proven ones. Content creation and distribution. Make your AI influencer a content machine. Create all sorts of things like blog posts, videos, or social media posts. You can share this content on different platforms like YouTube, blogs, or Instagram. Every time people watch a video or click on an ad, you can earn some cash. It's all about getting lots of people to see and love your content. The more popular your content becomes, the more money you can make. Virtual goods and merchandising. People love buying stuff related to their favorite online stars. With your AI influencer, you can create virtual goods or even real merchandise. For example, you can make t-shirts, mugs, or digital art once your AI influencer is popular. These items will feature your AI influencer's face or catchphrases. Fans can buy them, and you earn money from each sale. It's like having your own little online shop. Plus, every time someone wears your t-shirt or uses your mug, it's free advertising for your AI influencer. Sponsorships and brand collaborations. Companies are always looking for popular figures to promote their products. Your AI influencer can be that figure. When your AI influencer gets enough followers, brands will pay you to feature their products in your content. This can be anything from wearing a certain brand of clothes to talking about a cool new gadget. It's also important to choose sponsorships that make sense for your AI influencer and their audience. If your AI influencer talks about health and fitness, collaborating with a sports brand could be a perfect match. Conclusion. But all these benefits come after your AI influencer is known to the world. And now you know how to make one. The more real and interesting your AI influencer is, the more people will want to follow and engage with them. Hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you liked this video. We've got plenty more where this came from. Thanks for watching. See you next time.